Si Jose Rizal ay ang pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas. Ipinaglaban niya ang karapatan at kalayaan ng mga Pilipino mula sa kolonyalismo mula sa Espanyol na nagpahirap sa ating mga kababayan noong sinaunang panahon, kaya inaresto, nilitis at napatay si Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado y Alonzo Realonda dahil sa kanyang mga akda katulad ng No Limitang Here at El Filibusterismo. Dahil sa mga ito ay naging inspirasyon siya ng mga revolusyonaryong Pilipino. Ngunit ang mga Espanyol ay natakot sa kanyang impluwensya at itinuring siyang isang banta sa kanilang pamumuno. Kaya si Rizal ay pinapatay gamit ang firing squad noong Disyembre 30, 1876 sa Bagong Bayan na kilala ngayong Luneta Park.
So good day everyone, my name is John Rosario Torres and I'm from Cagwasan in Nabanga Bowl. So Rizal inspired me because he loved his family, value education and work hard to help his country. His courage and determination motivate me to face challenges, continue learning and become a better person. So I'll introduce you my family, guys. So this is my mother, my beautiful mother, and my father, the most pogi in the world, and my kuya, and my family. So this is my cousin, guys, James Adamar. He is my close cousin. Thank you.
Yeah.
What is your hope for me and my advice?
For me, my hope for you is that you stay happy, healthy, and strong. My advice is also believe in yourself, work hard, and never give up on your goals. That is my advice for you as a cousin.
So my childhood was happy because I spent a lot time with my friends, families, and I have a good memories of being at home, going to school, and playing with others. This moment helped me learn, grow, and become who I am today. In my family, school, and community, I have faced challenges such as stress from studies and difficulties in dealing with different people like Rizal. I learned to stay strong and continue working hard despite these problems. His experience inspired me to overcome challenges and keep moving forward. So this is my friends. My neighbor. And others that know my childhood. My elementary years were full of learning, fun, activities, and making friends. In college, I gained more knowledge and faced bigger challenges, especially in my studies. Some of my achievements were passing my subject and learning new skills, while my struggles include managing stress and school requirements. This experience inspired me to work hard and achieve my goal of having a successful future like my brother. My daily routine is playing pickleball, playing volleyball, and go to gym, and playing tennis. I learned that life has many challenges, but staying strong, patient, and hardworking helps me overcome them. Like Rizal, I value education, love my family, and want to make a positive differences. My future goal is to finish my studies and build a better life while helping others in any way I can.